Good morning, friends. Hope you're all doing good. So, today, in this second episode of how to make use of bread edges, we are going to make South Indian breakfast. The previous one was Sindhi breakfast, sale bread. I'm sure many must have given it a try too. And even this one is totally different, very easy to make, and very delicious. So, let's check it out and make bread upma with these leftover bread edges. Ingredients for bread upma: take a bowl full of bread edges and cut them into tiny pieces like this, about a soup bowl full of them. That will be sufficient for 2 people. Coriander leaves, handful. Oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons or as needed. Salt to taste. 1 onion finely chopped. Green peas, handful. Finely diced carrot, handful. Curry leaves, 1 sprig. 2 slit green chillies or fresh red chillies. For tempering, I've taken 1 dried red chilli, 1/8 teaspoon hing, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Ingredients list also can be seen in the description box. Now let's begin the cooking process. Heat little oil in a pan or a kadai. Add the tempering ingredients along with the turmeric powder. On low flame, toss them until they change color. Now add the curry leaves, followed by chillies. Toss them a bit. Now add the chopped onion. 1 small onion will be sufficient. Stir fry until it's translucent. Cover and reduce the flame so that the onion gets cooked a little bit. All the flavors also are infused into it. The Asafoetida flavor is awesome. It helps in digestion too. Now add the diced carrots and green peas. You can add any vegetables of your choice or that you have at home. Little bit of salt to taste. Stir them all together. Again we'll cover and reduce the flame and allow them to simmer until they get cooked 50%. I like the vegetables to remain little bit crunchy. Don't overcook them. Check the doneness. It's perfect. You can prepare this without the addition of vegetables also, but all the colorful vegetables add to the flavor and look of the dish. Add fresh coriander leaves, which also enhance the flavors. Toss them together. Now time to add the bread pieces. Give them all a mix till all the spices and the vegetables are well mixed into the bread pieces. Just add few tablespoons of water. Little bit you can sprinkle over them and again mix gently. We want the pieces to be intact, don't make it mushy. Cover and again simmer for half a minute on low flame. upma is ready. Let's dish it out. This is such breakfast which is so flavorful and ready in a jiffy, and at the same time we are making use of the bread edges also. Garnish it with coriander leaves and enjoy a bread upma. Thanks for watching. Check out these videos from the collection. You might like to watch them too. Have a nice day.